Example 2, under finding the first term of an AP is an arithmetic progression has a common difference of -4 if the sum of the first 10 terms is 10. Determine the first term. The formula that we are using is the first formula, that is the sum of n terms equals to n out of 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 times d. What do we have? We are given the common difference d as -4 if the sum of the first 10 terms is 10. So the sum of 10 terms is 10, right? Then what is our number of terms? The number of terms is 10. So our n is also 10. So the sum of the first 10 terms is 10. So S10 is 10 and the number of terms is 10. What are we looking for? We are looking for A, which is the first term. So we substitute for what we have in the formula and we find what we do not have. So the sum of the first 10 terms, that is S10, becomes equal to n. N is the number of terms, that is 10, out of 2 into 2a. We are looking for a, so we keep it, plus n. N is the number of terms, 10, minus 1, time is the common difference, -4. And we simplify from here. Therefore, what is the sum of the first 10 terms? It is 10. So we substitute here that 10 equals to 10 divided by 2, we shall get 5 into 2a plus, what is 10 minus 1? That is 9. 9 times -4, -36. So here we shall have plus -36. And then we simplify. Let me simplify by dividing both sides by 5 so that I get rid of the coefficient. Remember, we treat the bracket as a single term. And since it is a product of 5 and the bracket, we divide once. Get time I learned senior 1 and senior 2 mathematics. So we divide both sides by 5. This and this cancel out. 10 divided by 5, we get 2 equals to, shall have 2a, positive times negative, we get negative, so minus 36. We are looking for a, so we take -36 the other side. Since it is a negative here, if it crosses the equal sign, it becomes positive. So we shall have 2 plus 36 equals to 2a. 2 plus 36, that is like 38. So 38 equals to 2a. Then we find a by dividing both sides by 2. 38 divided by 2, 19. Therefore, 19 equals to a. So our first term is 19. Our first term is 19. And this makes the solution to example 2 when we are looking at how we can find the first term of an AP when we are given the common difference and the sum of a given number of terms. Yes, this is Vision Plus, and thank you.